Hi dear hearts! Don't forget to support the channel. Give a like, subscribe, click the bell icon, share and comment love. Here we go. Gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Hello everyone! Here I am again with a very nice good coffee and your heart to share from my heart one more message today. Those messages that I share with you, they came from my meditation exercise. I try to get more in touch with my inner world, and then in those meditations I let it go. I try to silence my thoughts, my mind, and try to listen, to feel my heart. Little Pepe guidance, the message that my soul sent to me, because I have to learn, I have to evolve, and then I feel so good to share those messages, my experience with you guys. Let's read the message. Put your intention in your heart to bring love energy in all experience you have every moment. Now, be present with love vibrations by your heart in all things that you are doing in your daily life. Enjoy, be present in all little things, little thoughts, little feelings, with your heart, following your soul. Doesn't matter if this experience is good or not good. Let it go. The negative thoughts as judgments and comparisons. Just surrender your ego and keep trusting. Follow the flow, the wisdom of your soul, and be grateful. Yes, thank you. Focus in your heart, in your inner child. Thank you, little Pepe. And ask for love, always. Choose love, always. And use those high vibrations in all little things that you are doing now. Why wait? Wait for what? And then you are present in happy moment, enjoying the moment. Be serenity in the moment. Be grateful in the moment. Feel love in the moment. Even the moment is not pleasant, with some low vibrations, or the moment is so amazing good, yeah, with high vibrations. Thanks God. You still keep experience those moments with high or low vibrations with your heart. Yeah, that's the way. With your soul, guidance, with love, from the consciousness of an immortal being that came from the love energy and is the creator of your life here in Mother Earth. From my heart to your heart, eternal thank you. Every day we have to remember, to get deeper with our inner world. That's the only way that we have to remember who we really are. To remember who we really are, our true self. Because that's the way that we can find the balance, the life balance with the external world that's so busy, so crowded, all the low vibrations that we can imagine. Try don't imagine in low vibration. So that's part of the experience that we have in our life here in Mother Earth, to live a dual life, polarity, dark and light, love and fear. But that doesn't mean we have to go deeper and stay vibrate in low vibrations. When low vibrations reach us, because that's the situation that we came here to learn how to get those fears and transform in love vibration. And the way is to follow our inner world guidance. Try to listen to our soul, our heart, our inner child, my little Pepe. We have to do that. That's the situation. We can handle, we can live some low vibration situations that came to us, and that's not difficult, remember? if you are not paying attention, the low vibration comes and then, everything comes down. So, okay, I'm not going to resonate with low vibrations. I will try to observe, to figure out, and remember in that situation that I am not this situation. I am not this low vibration emotions. I am not this low vibration thoughts. I will decide to choose love and put love vibrations in this situation. When lights goes to shadow areas, those shadows disappear, giving space to a brighter life experience. And if it's too hard, too dark, too density, we always have to remember we are not alone. Ask for help. Ask for help for our soul, our inner child, the angels, the light beings, because we are all one. We are all love. We are all connected. And then be patient. Be patient. Don't complain. Don't get excited because, this bad feeling is still here, I don't like, that's not good, still here. Don't do that, because when you do that, you are still feeding that low vibration looping with more low vibration thoughts and emotions. And then this block is a door, very dark door, the light that's come to help us. Keep calm, meditate, and then start to do little things that you like. Go to little things in your daily life. Even your thoughts, your mind get more and more low vibrations. Put love in your things that you do in your daily life. Put put the love perspective in those things. So be grateful for everything. Thank you for my coffee. Thank you for my pet. Thank you for my health. Thank you for everything. Thank you because I am immortal being. And these and those bad vibes, emotions, thoughts is gonna be away as soon as possible. So be present with love in all those little things that I'm going to do every day. We have to exercise every day. We have to pay attention about the quality of vibrations of our thoughts, emotions, feelings every day, and start to understand that when you figure out this, we have to bring love, we have to observe, we have to pay attention about that low vibration situation that's happening with you with love perspective, and then bring love to all those little things that you are doing in the moment. Be present with those little things that you are doing with love in your moment. Don't give space to the fear vibrations. Just figure out, acknowledge, and then start to bring your awareness to the love perspective, to the heart perspective. Ask for help. And then, how you do that to bring love perspective? In all little things that we are doing now, be present with love, with joy. Then we are not going to pay attention too much with those bad feelings, low vibration feelings, thoughts, ideas. And then when you figure out that love perspective, that joy with love, all the little things you are doing in the moment, this is going to send away those low vibrations feelings. That's the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Eternal thank you with infinite love from my heart to your heart. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. Say thank you, forgive, keep going. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad. Thank you. Be grateful for everything from your heart. With love. Bye. Thank you.